Jeremiah Campbell here with Brickworks Property Restoration. I'm coming to you today upon a rooftop in Detroit to talk to you about this chimney rebuild we just finished. About a third of our business or more is rebuilding and repairing chimneys. The chimney that right here next to me, it was a chimney that was built in the early 1900s and had never seen any type of repair whatsoever. Good news is the chimney lasted 100 years. Bad news is the chimney had to be rebuilt. What we did here is we took the chimney down almost right to the roof line and we reconstructed the chimney. The chimney was leaking. The chimney had a non-existent chimney cap. The flues were improper, which caused improper venting, which caused damage and carbon monoxide buildup inside of the home. What we did is we came down here, we first acquired the proper brick match. This is a common reclaimed brick, but we had to get the right color. As you see behind us, this is before it's actually washed. We finished this chimney about 2 days ago. The efflorescence is bleeding through, but after a complete wash and seal, we're never gonna have issues with this chimney again. A lot of people don't realize how fast chimneys go bad. They say, why do chimneys go bad? The chimney is the farthest most extremity that sticks out of the house. Per code, the chimney has to be at the highest point of the house with no obstructions. What this means is extreme weatherization. So we usually see chimneys start to deteriorate, mortar going bad, brick cracking, concrete on the top going bad, flues going bad. We see all of these things happening because of the thermal expansion and contraction from our winter months. What we did is we disassembled the chimney, we saved all the existing brick, which is really important when you're dealing with the historic, not only historic, but any type of masonry repair when you're able to save the good quality products and reuse them in order to properly match, to blend, and to make the product look like we were never here to begin with. One of the last thing a homeowner does is looks up at their chimney, looks for the condition of it. So before fall gets here, before the winter season gets here, make sure you take a look outside your chimney. Take a look. If you see anything that's out of the ordinary, a cracked chimney cap, if anything looks out of the ordinary, we would love to be the contractor that comes out and educates you on preventative maintenance plus repair and rebuild, just like we did here. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our office direct at 586-868-3234. Thank you.